sitting.
You see?
Because
Nakay, sikal po siya, Philippine kasi.
the first step you read and you read the first. You read down.
You read.
I am reading. Yes. Ay, Kaila. Dear Father, we don't say it often enough, but today we want to say it with our whole heart. Thank you for being my father. Thank you for being our first hero, my safest place in the silence that has carried me through life. Atidug. Ah! When we look at who I am become, we realize that every good thing ay po dito yung surat, nagbabasit. Ayaw, basit magyasuran na sa baba.
Surat ni Lewin.
Ayaw. You are the reason we know that strength doesn't always look like muscles. Sometimes it looks like a father coming home tired but still walking, still asking how his children days was. I am proud to be your child, Dad, and we hope we can make us proud of me as we aim of you. We pay up. Karo dyan likod. Shout out kanyang daddy Tanino. Yeah, umutot. Umutot ka, siyak pabasulong, haha.
Ang mumang sige, nagsurat eh.
Happy Father's Day with all my love, your child.
Child.
Ayun pala, dakkel, basit. Ay, nag-iisip ako.
First.
What is this?
First.
Uy, kayo nagdagsum.
That's for your head.
Pero,
Alam ko na migraine cup. Mabayin mo nga, kalumang
Hindi ka sa parang
that day, mo ang staff ng teacher.
Actually, dapat pati likod na kung mapin.
It's food.
Ano?
Sabi mo diyan, matang.
Ay, detit pang agong. Yay. Nalamunin mo. Meta.
Wala na ano pang migraine. Tama mo minsan. Depende mo, effective ka na.
Ay, meta ito yung food. Ha?
Good yung Saturday.
Ano nga pang hold up? At ano nga makita di hold up? This is...
That's for your butt.
Pagawin. PJ, para dito yung likod ka na.
Likod na. Oh, para.
Kaya sa likod. Yes, Jay. Eh, bobo ba? Oo. Ah!
Para like na wala yung
Ay, balay na rin ito eh. May kuno ako dyan. honeycomb. Ano na, honeycomb mo. Thank you!